The transformative power of fasting for body and spirit. The science of intermittent fasting. Recent studies reveal that intermittent fasting restricting eating to specific windows, such as 8 hours daily, performs traditional calorie counting for weight loss. Participants not only shed pounds but also preserved muscle mass, suggesting a simpler, sustainable path to physical health. But what if this practice holds deeper, ancient wisdom beyond mere metabolism? Spiritual fasting across religions. More than abstaining from food. Fasting is a sacred thread woven through humanity's spiritual tapestry. Consider Ramadan, Islam. Beyond sunrise to sunset food restrictions, Muslims avoid gossip, anger, and dishonesty, emphasizing purity of heart. Lent, Christianity. Followers renounce indulgences, focusing on prayer, charity, and introspection. Yom Kippur, Judaism. A day of atonement, blending fasting with repentance and ethical reflection. Ekadashi, Hinduism. Fasting days dedicated to Vishnu, coupled with meditation and acts of devotion. These traditions share a common truth. Fasting is a holistic cleansing, nurturing the soul as much as the body. Beyond food, the mental and emotional fast. True fasting transcends the plate. It invites us to fast from negative thoughts, releasing resentment, envy, and self-doubt to cultivate inner peace. Harmful speech. Abstaining from gossip, lies, and harsh words to foster connection. Selfish desires. Resisting greed, lust, and materialism to align with a higher purpose. Imagine a gardener tending not just to plants, but to the soil itself. Spiritual fasting weeds the mind, creating space for compassion and clarity. The synergy of body and spirit science confirms fasting's physical benefits: fat burning, cellular repair, and metabolic balance. Yet, ancient practices teach that neglecting the spirit renders these gains incomplete. Stress from unchecked negativity, for instance, can undermine physical health, perpetuating inflammation and fatigue. Spiritual fasting acts as a shield, harmonizing mind and body. When paired, intermittent fasting and mindful self-restraint create a feedback loop. A nourished body supports mental resilience, while a tranquil mind enhances physical vitality. Conclusion: holistic fasting for complete well-being. A body fasted but mind untamed is like a ship adrift, powerful yet directionless. The union of physical and spiritual fasting unlock transformative potential, sharper focus, emotional equilibrium, and a profound sense of purpose. As research validates intermittent fasting, let us reclaim its roots: a ritual, not of deprivation, but of elevation. For in cleansing both body and spirit, we discover the true essence of renewal. Final thought: to fast without prayer is a diet. To diet without a soul is a half-lived life. It is a timeless reminder that holistic well-being begins within.